Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Getcontact app. You will click on settings. Here you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will search about Getcontact. Then you can click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to the window of storage. After that, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode, and you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.